Our food pantry is a little different. We don't go by household size. We don't go by, some places even ask income. We don't ask for anything. We kind of just let people take whatever they need. My name is Angela Blake. I am the volunteer food pantry coordinator at Emerson Avenue Baptist Church Food Pantry. We get all of our food mostly from Midwest Food Bank, and then we also have other volunteers in the community that pick stuff up, kind of share with us. And then we also have monetary donations that come in and we go buy things at the grocery store. And then we also have people who just at their normal grocery store shopping day, they'll grab a couple things and come and drop it off to me, and then we'll distribute that out to the community every fourth Tuesday. But especially since COVID, we have noticed that people who, of course, were not utilizing food pantries or any kind of food bank or assistance in any way are having to. So they are doing the things they can to give back, such as like volunteer the same day of the pantry, which is a really big help. It's a really different dynamic now of the people who are coming to the pantry that even just this past year has changed quite a bit. I have people, who network with me and say, oh, I have strawberries, can you come and pick them up? And it's a Saturday, so I'm not gonna go get a U-Haul just for some strawberries. So this time last year, we were basically rescuing food from places that didn't have a way to give it away or even really transport it. So we would just go pick up the strawberries or the milk, and we would find people in the community. Sometimes that could be even us driving around and kids outside playing, and we flag their parents down, and everybody grabs a mask and we pass out strawberries to them in the community. So it's not so much just our pantry that it helps, but my vehicle goes and picks that up. Sometimes it'll go and just pick up volunteers for that Tuesday. I have a 12 passenger, so it can fill up a lot of people to come and help.